Honorable Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, Honorable President of GSFC University, Shri P.K. Taneja, IAS, retired, very esteemed members of the governing body and Board of Management, my dear graduating students and esteemed parents, my colleagues at the university, invited guests, friends from the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming one and all present on this virtual platform to celebrate second convocation ceremony of GSFC University. Today, we have with us the chief guest of eminence, a renowned scientist, Dr. R.A. Mashelkar. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of the students, faculty, senior management, and on my personal behalf to the second convocation ceremony. It is my great pleasure to welcome President of the GSFC University, Shri P.K. Taneja, IAS, retired, on this occasion. He is known as a turnaround officer, a man of administrative acumen and managerial luminosity. Sir, I welcome you to this celebration on behalf of students, faculty, administrative team, and on my personal behalf. I heartily welcome very esteemed members of the governing body and Board of Management whose support and contribution has remained invaluable to the university. I extend my warm welcome to the graduating students. We are fully aware that this pandemic situation is causing stress and psychosis. But you are the chosen one who will flourish in the coming time. As it is said, more you endure hard times, more you ensure bright times. Because difficult situations make you agile, able, and the best. I welcome you all. I also welcome your esteemed parents on this occasion. I welcome my own GSFC University colleagues whose constant support and involvement have made this event possible. I welcome all the invited dignitaries and esteemed guests. Once again, I welcome you all. Now, I take this opportunity to present before you the university report. Today, we all are beguiled to experience the celebration in a unique way, where virtual world is enabling us to tinker with the time travel, which is in true sense historic in nature, that will be remembered for the lifetime. Today, 259 students are graduating, while 264 students appear, out of which 98% of them are finally making. I'm very pleased to mention that, till date, 47% of them have been placed and have opted to continue their journey of learning by pursuing postgraduate degree in India and abroad. And still our placements are going on. My heartiest congratulations to them and all the best for successful and meaningful career in the coming time. Our entire academic process centers around science, technology, and management, with 3 schools, 8 undergraduate degree programs, 2 postgraduate degree programs, and 1 PhD program. Our students are the only reason for our existence, survival, and growth. We see ourselves as enablers in their pursuit of knowledge by providing support in the form of teachers and infrastructure. We ensure that our students get enriching experience through various pedagogic tools. We act as facilitators for bringing out their potentials to become not only successful individuals, but also propitious human beings. Their success is our joy, and their joy is our success. In our journey, now we have started harvesting our efforts. I am very pleased to mention that our students have many achievements during the year by winning various competitions. First position in National Entrepreneurship Competition at IIT Mumbai. Our students of BTech in Fire, Environment, Health and Safety won the award at the one-day national seminar on safety for people, plant and planet. 3 students of BTech in Chemical Engineering won the awards at IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Mumbai, and GTU Central Tech Fest for their innovative ideas. Our university badminton team brought laurels to the university at the national level competition at Surat SVNIT, state level intercollegiate tournament at PDPU, Gandhinagar, and Adani Institute at Ahmedabad. Our BBA student got selected in top 10 at US Consulate Mumbai for short filmmaking competition on women empowerment. BTech students won the prize at National Robotics Championship organized by IIT Mumbai. In order to develop our students holistically, the university has come out with Vibrant Pot, under which there are 16 students-managed clubs focusing on total personality development. Students are very active in participating in various activities from liberal arts to sports. Our students have founded the Diversity Band, completely run and performed by them, whose musical sense and scholarship are par excellence. For the first time, our students participated in the West Zone Youth Festival organized by Association of Indian Universities, wherein one of our students secured third position in the fine arts event. Our students successfully conducted a mega event, TechNext 2020, with a theme Tapping Intelligence Artificially, wherein 22 technical competitions were organized and over 1,300 students attended from more than 20 institutions. Mitra, the first Indian humanoid, was a special guest in the event. On the other hand, our teachers are also adopting innovative ways of teaching and learning by way of experiential and participative learning, problem-solving methodologies to enhance academic enrichment through flipped classroom, dissection of old instruments, project work, presentations, and so on. Even they are equally proficient in online teaching. I am also very happy to mention that our teachers had 24 publications to their credit, published in reputed journals and periodicals. 4 patents have been applied, and 1 book is published by this year. 52% of our teachers are PhD qualified. The academic rigor is enhanced by strong industry connect, wherein it is ensured that 30% of the faculties come from business and industry, and 50% of the members of Board of Studies and Academic Council are from industry. 80 hours of industrial internship for teachers in a year is encouraged to bridge the gap between theory and practice as a formal policy at the university. We have a diversity-rich student-teacher community with 1,200 students and 44 full-time teachers, out of which 24% of the students and 41% of the teachers are female. Almost 9 Indian languages are spoken on the campus, creating an inclusive academic ambience. Similarly, we have 69 visiting faculty empaneled, having a range of experience from 3 years to 45 years. The university has 22 laboratories in the School of Technology and School of Science with state-of-the-art facilities, including 1 language laboratory. In addition, we have 1 tinkering lab for innovation. The new 22 laboratories are being set up, out of which 3 laboratories are for our premier program, BTech in Fire and Environment, Health and Safety, which is one of its kind in the entire state of Gujarat, with financial support worth rupees 1 crore from Airport Authority of India. Moreover, supercomputer design lab with a funding of rupees 55 lakhs from the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, have given an impetus to research in the thrust areas of AI and ML. The robotics lab with the support of IIT Mumbai has created opportunities for students in the emerging area of technology. We have admirable library which remains open up to 12 midnight. Our library has developed electronic resources which help our students and faculty while working from home, and our entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled. It gives me immense pleasure in mentioning that today CSR contribution from various organizations to our university stands at rupees 4.24 crores. Over past 5 years, our university has evolved to be distinctive and exclusive, creating immense value for students. Industry orientation is the utmost differentiating ingredient in the entire teaching learning landscape. Interlacing of theory and practice following a medical college concept where students encounter real-life business situations to enhance their knowledge and skills continuously. Incubation to innovative ideas is an initiative as a mind-to-market approach to take the learning forward by setting up a startup through Idea Junction at the university. Activity Credit Bank, not so implemented in majority of the universities and institutions, is our unique USP, which not only facilitates and motivates students to become active in participating in the vibrant pot of our curricular, co-curricular, and extracurricular activities, but also rewards them with extra credits leading to certification, diploma, and advanced diploma. Campus itself is an USP, which invigorates body, mind, and soul with its green, clean, and peaceful atmosphere, having 400 years of old banyan tree, creating a soulful opportunity beyond the classroom to connect one with his or her higher self. Well, at this moment, I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, respected Dr. R.A. Mashelkar, for gracing this auspicious occasion as Chief Guest on a virtual platform. His mantras with words of wisdom will definitely help students to make a unique mark in their life. My deepest sense of gratitude I owe to our Honorable President, Shri P.K. Taneja, for his impeccable leadership provided to all of us. His deepest concerns for students' progress and development, quality in educational pursuits, and commitment to the cause of education are rare and exemplary in nature. Please accept my heartfelt gratitude, sir. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere thanks to Chairman and Managing Director Shri Arvind Agrawal, GSFC Limited, for generous and wholehearted support to GSFC University. I also thank the esteemed members of the governing body and Board of Management for their continuous support to our university. I also thank my colleagues at the university, Registrar Shri Panchal, Campus Director Shri Dholakia, for their seamless support in carrying out vision and mission of the university. I also thank Dean and Associate Deans, Dr. Saurabh Shah, Dr. Nishit Parikh, Dr. Santosh Kumar, Dr. Chetna Parmar, for strengthening academics day by day at the university. I would like to specially mention few of my colleagues, Dr. Saroj Shekhawat, Dr. Abhilasha Vyas, Dr. Priyanka Pandya, Dr. Abha Kalaiya, Dr. Mihir Trivedi, Dr. Sneha Bajaj and Mrs. Shivani Joshi for strengthening quality of academics in the university by various initiatives. I also thank press and media for their continuous support throughout the year. My dear student friends, the parting message for you is that know yourself with honesty. Wage a war against your weaknesses. Launch a campaign against your fearfulness. Never afraid of problems and challenges, and never give up your precious life. Someone has said that to find your best self, you must lose your weak self, and that only happens through relentless improvement, continuous reflection, ongoing self-excavation, and confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, we make all efforts to ensure that the learning environment remains conducive for critical thinking, creativity, and scientific temper. In doing so, our quest for excellence continues with commitment, dedication, and allegiance for preparing our students industry-ready, employable, as well as socially sensitive citizens of the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.